Hello everybody, welcome back. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Today I will share with you something that is a tradition from my country, Colombia. So it is a paper lantern. Here you can see it. The puffins helped me to make it, and I will teach you everything. I will tell you the materials that you will need for this. We need a ruler, construction paper. Try to have a big piece of it. You need a pair of scissors, a marker, some glue, a battery candle, and tissue paper. I will use 4 pieces of it. Okay, so the first step is that with our ruler we are going to measure a rectangle. It has to be 40 centimeters from one side, the longest one, and the other side has to be 20 centimeters. Now we are gonna make the lines, and we will divide it in 4 smaller rectangles. We can ask mommy or daddy to help us with it, or some adult. And we will leave a line in this side that is 2 centimeters. Once you have done it, you can just draw something inside that you can cut off later. After we have cut it, we will have something like this. Now we are going to fold following the lines. Now the second line, this one, going to fold it. And the third line. Don't forget the little one that we have left in this side. Now we will take our tissue paper, and we have to make sure that the little pieces will cover completely the figures that you have in here. So once we take one of them, we are going to glue them. Alright, so now that we have it like this, it's time to put it all together. So now we have photo ready with this little side, the 2 centimeter size that I told you to cut. We have stick together everything, and this is how it looks. Now you can decorate it however. I will use these little pieces of paper, and I will glue it all over. And this is the final result. It is really nice. Do you want to see how it glows in the dark? Thank you so much for joining me today. This is the final result. Don't forget to send pictures if you make it, and subscribe to our channel. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. See you next time.